Welcome. As you can see, we've got a beautiful model with a lovely soft layered hairstyle. So these hairstyles were created in my virtual live workshops that I host every single week. And what we want to discuss here today is body type. The head makes up 1/7 of the body. And what's very interesting, today in the United States, the latest statistics say that an average of 40% of ladies are obese, and obesity is 50 pounds overweight. Now, why do I mention that? A hairstyle has to balance with the body, so let's take a deeper dive into this. When we're looking at our clients with a fuller figure, we have to determine, is a blunt line, a soft beveled line, or a line touching the shoulders the most appropriate thing for the body type? Apple body type, the pear body type, and the banana. These three body types are so important to review and understand. So for example, we've got here in the images above, on the left, a soft perimeter that has more of a V versus on the right, a square perimeter. So I would not be putting a square shape across the back of a lady who is a pear or an apple. So when we look at these hairstyles and we look at our horizontal, which is obviously going to give volume and width to the body type, versus a softer perimeter and it hanging in a way that you have that soft roundness as opposed to a box in the back. So here you can see a more detailed version of the hairstyle where you see the softness, which is going to give elongation to the torso, and it's going to be a little bit more slimming for a lady who's an apple or a pear who needs to be elongated. So here we have the hairstyle, front and back. You can see how beautifully it blends. And here we have our style, which is more of a boxy effect, even though we've created softness in the back. So when you're choosing your hairstyle, yes, we must study the face shape, but we must also determine, do we want to have a little bit more strength in the perimeter, or do we want to elongate the shape so that it's soft? I hope you found this valuable today. Join us, and we would love to help you achieve your goals and dreams. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.